Hi guys, today I'm doing a screen replacement on Samsung Xcover 3. This is the first time I attempt to do this, so hopefully everything's gonna go well. I ordered brand new genuine Samsung glass, so let's see how easy that's gonna be. First of all, I was going to open the cover, take the battery off, and we're going to heat a front screen with blower. Let's see if we can pick that up. To remember, there is a connections at the front, so careful to not go there, but the rest of them it should be peeled off very easily. Glass seems coming off. Just have to be careful. As I said, it's only first time I'm doing this, so I'm not sure how easy. Here we go. Okay, just careful when we get to the very top, as there is a connection, so we just have to be very careful. Yeah, a bit of a heat and it helps. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, that's out. So now we have to lift this LCD screen out of the frame, and it's also held by a glue with one screw on the top. So let's heat it up again a little bit on the back. But to start off, we're just going to prise that up. Probably better to put it onto the table. It's going nice and slow. Now, here we have. So, what I had to do, open up a little screw and then take it off a screen. And so now here we go. So now here we opened up. There's one little screw to open and prop up the little lid. So let's put this down. Okay, so we just remove that little screw, open up with there's a little lid, and now remove the screen. So basically there's a little plug that sits there. Now it's quite finicky little board, so you just have to be very careful what it's going to do and how it's going to push. Nice and steady. Probably have to be very careful to line up in position. There is also a glue under the display itself, on the new glass, so that should stick together. It's possibly not going to make watertight as this one meant to be, but at the same time it should work fine. So everything in place, all we're left to do is plug back in. Okay, that's click. And now all I was going to do is put this little lid on. So it took a little bit of a time to put that plastic back in, but just to explain, you have to push the front first and then sits in at the bottom. Now I'm going to put a screw back in. Okay. And here we go. We're going to stick that in. That will glue itself. Just give a little that's it. We have fully replaced the screen. So here we have. We managed to replace the screen. It's first time, as I said, never done before. Let's close everything up and see if it's still fully operational. It starts off fine. Buttons looks fine. Pattern works fine. Okay, it's not the right number. 171.
Hello and welcome to your Vodafone voicemail service.
That's it. It's fully operational phone with the new replaced screen. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is going